Hello friends, good afternoon. Today I am going to show you how to buy ads on Advertise Lab. Here is the website, which is advertslab.com. Now I am going to sign in. Here is username. Password, connect. Here is my dashboard, my referral links, paid ads, view paid ads, bonus ad points, view bonus ad points. I have 2 referrals and my earning is $1.0192, group 1 of 14. I have 3404 BAPs, bonus ad points. When you have 1600 above BAPs, you will get daily ads here, like this. Paid ads. I have these paid ads. I already clicked some ads also, and don't forget to click the bonus ad point daily. You all know already, because the site is giving 200 BAPs daily, like this. When you have above 1600 BAPs, you will get daily cash ads, cash links. I never have been invested on this site. This is my earning from this site. Today I am going to show you how to buy ads. Here is navigation section, and click the button buy ads. Enter the website URL want to promote. Here you should enter a URL which want to promote. Today I am going to promote my paid bots URL referral link. You can also promote any referral link or any website link here. So I am going to paste here my referral link. How many ad packs you want to purchase? I want to purchase 1 ad packs. It gives me 3120 bonus ad points and 75 ads will be shown for 20 seconds on this website. Okay, now my purchase balance is 0. My balance is 0. So I am going to buy ad from my earning. Here is my $1.0192 purchase. Now hit the button purchase. Your purchase is done. Okay, now we can see here my balance is deducted from earning section $1, and my BAPs is 6564. Now, so Like this you can also buy ads from your earning balance. It is very easy and very easy to work, also very easy to buy ad also. You can click here and view ads here. The timer is running. When you buy ads, your site or your referral link also will be show like this. When timer run, 20 seconds, confirm ads. Like this you can also earn and advertise at the same time on this site. Okay, thanks for watching. See you again. Bye for now. Thank you very much.